Hello, my name's Jacinta McShane. I'm 60 years of age. I'm a single mum. I have a 16-year-old son, and we live near London in England. And I was diagnosed with breast cancer, HER2 positive breast cancer, stage 2 in 2004. I was devastated, very, very devastated. Didn't know how I'd manage or cope, especially with my boy as well. I went through the conventional route at home, and I had several surgeries ending with a mastectomy. I then refused chemotherapy, in fact radiotherapy as well. Then I had a cyst along my scar line 1 year later, and I was urged to have radiotherapy, which I did. And a year after that, I then had 2 cysts on my lung where the cancer had spread. At that point, I was put on Herceptin at home, and I refused chemotherapy, my choice. At that time, I was also told that the Herceptin eventually would become ineffective, and I'd become resistant to it. And I wasn't happy with that. I thought there's got to be a lot more. There's got to be a lot more to cancer treatment than this. And I looked up the website, and I had seen issels.com before, back in 2004. And this was 2 years later, and I decided, I think I'm going to do something about this. I wanted to find somewhere where I could be treated with all the immunotherapy treatments under one roof, and I wanted to be residential. A lot of places offered me to go to Germany for this, England for this, America for that, and I thought, no, I'm sick and I want to be treated as a patient. So I came to Issels, and it's the best move I ever made in many, many ways. I was treated holistically. I was treated mind, body and spirit, which is what I needed and yearned for, but didn't fully realize that at the time. I responded extremely well. The treatment in terms of the infusions was, I was bouncing about after 4 or 5 days. And then the vaccines occurred 2 weeks later, and the benefits were very good for me and very strong. I found the whole experience, including being in Tijuana, wonderful. Tijuana is not like they picture it. I don't feel any danger here. I do not feel I'm not safe. I feel comfortable. I know, I don't, all right, I go downtown, I go around the beaches, I walk the beach, I go shopping, I go to the cafes, and I'm at home. I'm comfortable. And all that is part of my healing. Then in 2010, my cancer returned and metastasized to around my peritoneum area. And I was again continuing with Herceptin at home. No further treatment at that point. Again, I refused chemotherapy. And I thought, I want something else. I'm in fairly good shape, but I want something else. And I want another visit to Issels. It's almost by the visit here, the whole experience is my healing. Not just the treatment, it's the whole experience. And I've recently I've been here for 12 days. I've been in hospital for 3 days, and I've had stem cell treatment. So I'm now 3 or 4 days after that, and I feel the difference already. I feel good, I feel stronger, I'm more able to deal with this, and my hope is renewed. And if this continues the way it's continuing, which I'm sure it will, I will be happy as Larry again. I feel blessed to have been able to find Issels. I feel blessed to make the decision to have the best of both worlds, some conventional treatment backed with the support of Issels here and my immunotherapy treatment. I'm lucky I can get here, but I'm quite determined to have done so. So I'm really grateful to Issels doctors and to God. Thank you.